This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? I am so glad to see you today, and anyone who is here for the first time. Welcome to today's Bougie Nails on a Budget, where I feature nail designs with affordable things for anyone just getting started, or don't have all the new products, or just loves doing nails and art. I also do other nail content like acrylic and PolyGel. My name is Tommy and I'm a licensed nail tech. I post regularly on Tuesdays and Thursdays in case you'd like to see more of my content. So today's set is already started for you to sit back and watch me work as I have a few things to talk about. I want to start out by thanking those of you who showed so much care and concern while I was having difficulty with the computer. I really appreciate it. I couldn't watch videos without any of them buffering, and believe it or not, I was really trying to. Then it got ridiculous, like buffering every 2 minutes. Pages were slow to load. The computer kept shutting down. But finally, I think I have a hold on things and got it straightened out. At least I hope. Y'all, I locked myself up. I turned away from all social media and only focused on getting this fixed. I will say this. Maybe it's weird to you, maybe not. But I hesitate taking my computer for repairs. It already took a very long time for me to get comfortable with using any online form of service. But eventually I had to come to terms that it was pretty much necessary. So that was more of a forced decision. Now, I can't say that I'm totally comfortable now, especially with all that's going on. I just don't feel that amount of trust, you know? I don't care even if it's a professional shop. I will always diligently keep trying to figure it out myself until I can't. And when I have to get a new one, I'll still keep this. In fact, I've never gotten rid of any of my technology, with the exception of turning a phone back in. I don't even like having to do that. But so far, so good for the past day or so. I know I've missed a number of posts from many of you, and I've been trying to catch up. But with having to edit or create content as well, I will more than likely have to pick up where I can. I'm also grateful that this didn't have too big of an impact posting on my regular days. But let me tell you, even that was a battle too. And I'm sure those of you who are familiar with when I usually post, it's even been at different times. But I'm happy to say things are running much smoother now, and I don't know. I might have to turn this into a tech channel with all I've learned by now. In the meantime, I also want to thank those that came through and subscribed in these last few days while I've been tied up. I don't think it was obvious that I wasn't on the channel with the exception of my delay in responding to comments. And when I did, someone in particular stood out. So I just want to acknowledge this person. Her name is Danielle Nicole Luera, and I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Let me tell you what she's been doing. So listen, she came to the channel, she subscribed and commented, right? Not only that, she said she was going to watch all my videos. So this girl has started with my first video. You know, the one with some stones, guys, some stones. And what else do I say in that one? I'm going to put these nails on fire. And she's been watching them. So look, each day I've been getting comments from her on the videos she's been watching. And if I remember correctly, I don't think she's going to see this until she's followed them all chronologically. Like, OMG, is that totally awesome or what? I'm just blown away. Like, I'm just totally blown away. All these beautiful things have been happening since I've started this channel, and you guys, I love you guys so much. So Danielle, please by all means contact me on Instagram at the same name, Pick You Color, and make sure I know it's you. And I just want to say thank you so much. Before I go on, I just want to say something about the foil. I don't feel that a solid foil is ever going to take as it appears on the sheet. Again, because the paper is never going to lay flat to the surface. And I was prepared for that, same as I was when I did the lace nails. So I intentionally chose not to use a background color. I pre-thought that the crackled look would go well with the rustic color and appearance of the set. And I do like the way it turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, okay? One more thing. So, NailTubers, Nailification Squad, surprise! This is a random giveaway, and I know you weren't expecting that. And the winner of this random giveaway is Unpolished by Aggie. Congratulations, Aggie. Be sure to contact me on Instagram and I have something for you. Also, everyone go by and visit Aggie's channel. I just love her spirit. She does adorable nail designs and participates in a lot of nail collabs. Oh, and she's an ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art and does a lot of reviews on many new Amazon listings. When you go by, let her know that I sent you in love, and also, please support her channel growth and help her reach her 1,000 subscriber goal. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and today's chit chat, and thank you so much for listening to my rant. If you haven't already, remember, subscribe to my channel, and when you do, click that nailification bell so that you'll know every time I upload and every time we're meeting. Oh, and one final thing. I should have mentioned this before, but hey, why not save it till the end? Did you guys even notice that I did short nails today? And you know what? This was by popular demand. Had I known, I would have been doing these much sooner. But yeah, many of you guys said short nails would be nice. Yes, I'd like to see short nails, etc., etc. So here they are. I have the length on one hand and decided to do the short ones for you guys to see on the stands. I won't be putting them on because, as you guys know, I still have the problem with my thumb and I just needed to take the covering off for a little while. But I think that they turned out nice both ways. What do you guys think? Thanks so much for spending your time with me. I appreciate you watching. See you next time.